This video introduces the principles of the Type B link protection technology in the Reyee e-Lighten optical solution and explains how to configure the technology on eWeb. An e-Lighten network is a communication system based on the passive optical network technology. The network uses a point-to-multipoint topology, which contains multiple single points of failure. If an optical line terminal is faulty, all optical network units connected to it will be disconnected. If a single OLT port or its optical transceiver is faulty, all ONUs connected to the port will be disconnected. If the optical link connected to an OLT port is faulty, all ONUs connected to the port will be disconnected. The Type B link protection technology in the Reyee e-Lighten optical solution can be used to achieve link redundancy on the OLT side, improving network reliability. The Type B link protection technology supports the following two deployment modes. Deployment Mode 1. During network deployment, use a single OLT and specify two PON ports on it to function as the active port and the secondary port, respectively. The secondary PON port stays in cold standby state. Use a 2-to-N optical splitter to establish two independent primary and secondary optical links between the optical splitter and OLT for mutual redundancy. Deployment Mode 2. During network deployment, configure the virtual cluster switching with two OLTs. Specify one PON port on an OLT as the active port and one PON port on the other OLT as the secondary port. The secondary port stays in cold standby state. Use a 2-to-N optical splitter to establish two independent primary and secondary optical links between the optical splitter and OLT for mutual redundancy. Note, Deployment Mode 1 prevents ports and links from becoming single point of failures. Deployment Mode 2 prevents ports, links, and a single OLT from becoming single point of failures. During service operation, the OLT monitors its PON port status and the link status, and switches links as needed to ensure network continuity. When an active port fails, the OLT automatically switches data to the secondary port. When the primary optical link is faulty, the OLT automatically switches data to the secondary optical link. The following video describes how to configure Type B link protection on eWeb. Enter the IP address of the device in the address bar of the browser to access the login page. Enter the password, and click Login to access the eWeb's homepage. To perform the device-specific configuration, choose Optical Transceiver Management, Active or Secondary Optical Ports, Port Status. In the Port Status area, click Add Active or Secondary Port. Set Link Protection Protocol to Type B. Set Active Port and Secondary Port. Note, only two PON ports with the same rate can be used to create a port protection group. Click OK. After creating a port protection group, check the status of the active and secondary ports. In the port status area, click Switch Effective Port in the Action column to switch the effective port in a specified port protection group on an OLT. Thank you for watching.